Hello again. The woman I love not only shoots these videos, she also makes great cappuccinos. To your next question, explain tirando and apoyando a little better, or a little bit more in depth. It's important that the finger moves parallel to the fingerboard. Put your finger on the string so the fingernail and the flesh touch at the same time and feel the string. Apoyando, simply the finger stays a little straighter. The power comes mainly from this and this joint. Relax your finger completely and the apoyando will happen automatically. Now the tirando should be as similar as possible. The only reason we even play a tirando is we might also want the string below the string that we're playing to ring for a chord or for an arpeggio. I recommend practicing the apoyando first, the rested stroke, and as I said, completely relax your finger and it will happen by itself, and then slightly modify. All you have to do is roll the hand over a little bit and do the exact same move and just try to miss the lower string by a second or a millimeter rather.